Today is Bonfire night and today is gonna blow the heck. So I'm gonna wait for a couple hours and I'm gonna see you later. So I'm gonna show you what happened last year. It's gonna be so crazy.
That's great, lovely. That's lovely.
And two more. Actually, three. Right. Here. Actually, it's more fun. Oh, here it goes. Oh. Hi. Holy crap. Yeah, I just saw one over there. I will see you guys at 7 hours. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I'm gonna climb through this and I'm gonna show you. Yes! I can see some. Yes. Okay, I think that's it. Let's go to the back and I'll show you the others. There's none in the back. I guess subscribe. There's some in the front.